Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Froen with Shah here. So this video is going to be a video on my favorite clip-ins ever, Hergivenhair clip-ins. I'm going to show you guys a super simple way to install them. So this is the way that I install them when I'm feeling super lazy, which is most of the time. So if you want to see how I installed my clip-ins in a super easy way, I'm saying super a lot because it's really easy, keep watching this video. Alright, so let's get started. This one I am not going to have much leave out. I don't think, if any, maybe just a little part. You can do a lot more leave out if you would like. I wanted to do a nice little bobby pin style, so that is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to do a middle part, and I'm just sectioning off the section that I'm going to put the bobby pins onto. I just want to section it to make it a lot easier. Now I'm going to section off my leave out, and then I'm just going to twist them away so that I know that this is what I have to braid and moisturize, because that is the part that is going to be left out. So again, as I said in my previous video, whatever style you did on the clip-ins, you have to do on your hair. So my clip-ins are now in an old braid out, so I'm just going to refresh my braid out with a couple of braids and keep it pushing. So I'm just twisting it away so that when I'm slicking the back part down into the bun, I know which part does not need to be slicked down. Okay, so this part is a super easy part, especially for my non-braiders. So usually with my clip-ins, I will braid the back part, but again, feeling lazy. So here I am, I'm just going to detangle the back, and then I'm just going to sleek it into a small low bun, and then I'll show you guys how I put the clip-ins onto that. So with any style, any protective style, you want to make sure that you do moisturize your hair as much as you can. It doesn't need to be drenched in moisture, but it does need to be, you need to take care of it. You can't just slap a protective style in and think your hair is going to be gooch underneath. No, you have to take care of it. So I'm just putting it into a small little bun using 2 scrunchies to make sure that it is as secure as possible, because you don't want your bun slipping out, then causing your clip-ins to fall out. No, 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 girl. No, no. Alright, so here I am. I'm just going to put the clip-ins in around the bun. At the beginning, you might see a small little bump, but that is not what's going to happen when you get to the end point, because the more clip-ins that you add, especially with natural hair clip-ins, it's going to be disguised very easily. So I'm just going to continue to put more in. I don't have a specific strategy in which I would tell you which clips to put where. I'm just filling them in as I go and just making sure that it is as full as possible. Again, going back in, really making sure that I have clips everywhere to blend with my hair so that my bun is not really showing. Alright, so again, just putting in the tracks, and now I'm just going to take the final track and put this one in the opposite direction because it blends a lot better with my leave out. The track doesn't show as much, and your girl's not out here looking crazy with track showing, because that is one thing that you don't want to happen. Alright, so I'm putting it in the opposite direction and just flipping my hair over, and now just going to braid my leave out in the direction in which the hair is going to fall. So I'm just going to braid it backwards, making sure that I moisturized my section, because doing the same thing that you would do in a regular braid out is important when blending your hair with these natural hair extensions. So now I'm just prepping the front for my bobby pin style. So I'm just going to slick it down with a little bit of edge control and gel, and I'm just going to pin that back part down underneath the clip-ins, just so that I can keep that part a little bit more secure before I do the bobby pin style. Alright, so now I'm just taking my gold bobby pins and I'm just going to put them in an X formation, almost like I did in my sleek bun style in my previous video, which you should have watched, and if you didn't, your math ache, okay? Yeah, so you can really do any type of style that you want in the front. I decided to add a little bit more bobby pins and just do it up, sis, whatever you're feeling. I just decided to add one more piece because I just wanted it to be a little bit more full. And I'm putting that backwards again so that the track doesn't show, and I'm just going to flatten it with my satin scarf. And just spritzing it a little for added moisture, and your girl is tired. I really seem to be like always tired when filming these videos. Alright, so now it is the next day, and I'm just going to take off my satin scarf, and I'm going to unbraid my leave out. So again, when you're unbraiding your leave out, you really just want to make sure that you have oil or shea butter on your fingertips, which I did have, and you are just going to separate that. And then each braid, I'm just separating a little bit more so that it can blend a lot more or a lot better with the natural hair extensions.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, so as you are unbraiding, you just want to spread out or separate the hair so that it can cover the tracks. Don't just separate it and let it rock. Make sure you're separating it strategically and really covering the track so that you're not out here looking crazy. And here I am, slicked up my edges off camera because you know how I do. And there you go. So these are my favorite clip-ins. They always do me justice whenever I'm feeling lazy or just want to do a cute protective style with added hair instead of getting braids or something. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the kid. Until next time, bye.